Alright, so what's up guys, it's your poor boy FPV coming back at you with another video. Today I want to show you what I'm going to be doing here real soon. So I picked up these new gimbals for my Taranis QX7, and these are the M7R gimbals. It's supposed to be a 45-degree throw here, which I think will be maybe a little quicker throttle response on my radio. I'm gonna have to get these installed. Right now I'm just waiting on, I'm gonna order me up some hydro dip. I'm gonna go ahead and, since I'm gonna have my radio tore apart, I'm gonna go ahead and hydro dip it and install these new M7R gimbals. The ones that are original, they don't seem to be quite as good as these right here. I bought two of them. I'm sure some people will probably say, you know, you don't need two of these short throw gimbals. You know, they're mainly for the throttle. But they got to be better than what's in it. I probably could have just went with the standard M7 Hall sensor, Hall effect gimbals. But these things right here, they look like they're really well made. I believe they'll be solid. Probably make for a quicker response on the quad there. And I just wanted to give you guys a little channel update and share this with you. I'll be bringing you this video in the near future. And also, so what I've done, I didn't do a video on this build, but I had to buy me another America. This is the 6S America that I built, done the video for. And I had another quad that I was beating around in here, and I just quite didn't like it, so I went ahead and got me another America frame, and I slapped these motors on it. These are the Emax 2207 light spec motors, 2550 kV. I was going to try to build me a little 4S drone, and just because I got a bunch of 4S batteries in here, you know, not so many 6S. But I think I'm going to get away from the 4S. After a weekend of flying, I discovered that, well, number one, this is about too heavy of a prop for this setup. These are the V1 HQ V1S's, 5151s, and the motors was getting a little warm, and the pack was coming back like it was trying to puff on me a little bit, and it just didn't quite seem as fast as this one. This one right here was just a little bit faster, and I'm really happy with the 6S setup. I'm sold on it. I don't think it's hype. I really believe there's something to it. I got a substantial amount more flying time out of a 6S LiPo than I did the 4S on this setup, and I had brand new packs testing them out, you know, with this setup. I probably could, you know, go with a little bit lighter prop, something that ain't so aggressive, and maybe get a little bit more efficiency out of it. But I don't think it'll be as fast, so I went ahead and picked me up some of these Power Drone Hyperlights. I got some 2207s in the high voltage low kV 1722s, and I think I'm gonna swap these motors out. I'm gonna put them motors on this one. I need to switch out the ESC. My nephew, he bought a Acon 30 amp ESC, and he thought it was the 6S one like I have on my other America there, and it wasn't. So because it being brand new and it looked interesting to me, I wanted to try it out, and it's a good ESC. I'm gonna hang on to it. Probably just put it on something else. But as far as my racers go, I'm gonna make both of these as 6S racing drones. So, but this one right here, I put the Hyperlight in this. I'm sold on that flight controller. It's a good one. I'm happy with it. Seems like a really nice flight controller. And as far as racing drones go, man, you can't beat the America. I'm sold on these two. These are my go-to racing quads. But yeah, just thought I'd share this little quick update and might share a little bit of flight footage from my weekend. I took my girlfriend's son out, you know, he ain't but 11 years old, and taught him how to build a little drone, and he put together this old ZMR 250 right here. This was my first drone. This was my very first build, and I tore it apart and gives my nephew some of the parts, and they've seemed to have found their way back. And we brought it back to life, but this thing ain't running nothing but a little ready-made RC RM DO Seriously Pro Dodo. That's a great flight controller for a F3. Man, it's solid. I love them. I ain't never seen a bad review on them, and probably won't. I think it's a great flight controller. It's just got the ZTW Flash Series ESCs. They're 20 amps and just some little. I don't think these are really for a racing quad. I didn't know it when I was first getting into the hobby and picked these up. You gotta be a little careful about what you buy, but we're gonna be upgrading this thing pretty soon for Jenny's son and put him a little camera on it. I wanted him to get the feel of it first and just see how it is. And he really had a blast. I'll share some of that footage with you guys in this video, but I hope you guys like the videos that I'm sharing with you, and leave a comment. I appreciate the guys that do comment and watching my videos, and hit that like button and subscribe. We'll bring you some more videos in the future. This is your poor boy FPV. Peace out.
America. Fuck yeah.
Whoa.
Damn, that thing blew rocks, didn't it?
Hover it right there. That's a good. There you go. Almost. Keep it going. Oh!